The common ringed plover. A ringed plover is a small plover that breeds in Arctic Eurasia. The genus name Charadrius is a late Latin word for a yellowish bird mentioned in the 4th century Vulgate. It derives from ancient Greek kharadrios, a bird found in ravines and river valleys. The specific hiaticula is Latin and has a similar meaning to the Greek term, coming from hiatus, cleft, and cola, dweller. Description: adults are 17 to 19.5 centimeters in length with a 35 to 41 centimeters wingspan. They have a gray-brown back and wings, a white belly, and a white breast with one black neckband. They have a brown cap, a white forehead, a black mask around the eyes, and a short orange and black bill. The legs are orange and only the outer two toes are slightly webbed, unlike the slightly smaller but otherwise very similar semi-palmated plover, which has all three toes slightly webbed, and also a marginally narrower breastband. It was in former times included in the present species. Juvenile ringed plovers are duller than the adults in color, with an often incomplete gray-brown breastband, a dark bill and dull yellowish-gray legs. This species differs from the smaller little ringed plover in leg color, the head pattern, and the lack of an obvious yellow eye-ring. Breeding, range and habitat. The common ringed plover's breeding habitat is open ground on beaches or flats across northern Eurasia and in Arctic northeast Canada. Some birds breed inland, and in western Europe. They nest as far south as northern France. They nest on the ground in an open area with little or no plant growth. If a potential predator approaches the nest, the adult will walk away from the scrape, calling to attract the intruder and feigning a broken wing. Once the intruder is far enough from the nest, the plover flies off. Common ringed plovers are migratory and winter in coastal areas south to Africa. Many birds in Great Britain and northern France are resident throughout the year. Feeding. These birds forage for food on beaches, tidal flats and fields, usually by sight. They eat insects, crustaceans and worms. Subspecies. There are 3 weakly defined subspecies, which vary slightly in size and mantle color. They integrate where the ranges meet. Ch. Samodroma salamonson, 1930, breeds in Iceland, Greenland, northeast Canada, winters in West Africa. It is intermediate in size and color. Ch. hiaticula Linnaeus, 1758, breeds from temperate Western Europe north to central Scandinavia, resident a short distance migrant to southwest Europe. It is the largest and palest subspecies. Ch. tundrae, breeds in Arctic northern Scandinavia and Asia, winters in Africa and southwest Asia. It is the smallest and darkest subspecies. Ch. hiaticula and Ch. tundrae are among the taxa to which the Agreement on the Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Waterbirds applies.